Marriage is what brings us together today. Marriage, that blessed arrangement, that dream within a dream. Marriage is the promise between two people who love each other, who trust that love, who honor one another as individuals in that togetherness, and who wish to spend the rest of their lives together. It enables the two separate souls to share their desires, longings, dreams, and memories, their joys and sorrows, and to help each other through all the uncertainties of life. In honor of this event, Kate and Michael will say heartfelt words and perform age-old rituals. They will laugh and cry, dance and sing, and above all else, celebrate their love with your blessings. You, the people who matter the most to them.